Living in Kendall means enjoying beautiful weather, tropical scenery, and vibrant neighborhoods. But it also means preparing your home for hurricane season. Strong winds, heavy rain, and flying debris are real threats each year, and your doors are one of the most vulnerable entry points in your home. That's why hurricane protection doors aren't just an upgrade in Kendall, they're a necessity. Investing in high-quality hurricane-rated doors protects your family, your property, and your long-term peace of mind. Protection against high winds and flying debris during a hurricane. Wind speeds can reach dangerous levels. Standard exterior doors may not be built to withstand that kind of pressure. If a door fails, strong winds can enter your home, increasing internal pressure and potentially causing severe structural damage. Hurricane protection doors are specifically engineered to resist impact and wind force. They feature reinforced cores, heavy-duty frames, and impact-resistant glass, if glass panels are included. Even if struck by debris, laminated impact glass is designed to stay intact rather than shatter into dangerous shards. This added strength helps maintain your home's structural integrity during severe storms. Compliance with Florida building codes. South Florida has some of the strictest building codes in the country when it comes to storm protection, and for good reason. Homes in Kendall must meet these standards to ensure safety and resilience. Hurricane protection doors are manufactured to meet or exceed these local code requirements. Installing compliant doors not only protects your home but also ensures you stay aligned with regulations, which can be especially important when selling your home or updating insurance coverage. Increased home security year-round. While hurricane season may be the primary concern, hurricane protection doors offer security benefits all year long. Their reinforced construction and multi-point locking systems make forced entry significantly more difficult. The same impact-resistant glass that protects against storm debris also provides an extra layer of defense against break-ins. For Kendall homeowners, this dual benefit of storm protection and enhanced security adds tremendous value. Reduced risk of water intrusion. Hurricanes don't just bring wind, they bring heavy, wind-driven rain. Poorly sealed or aging doors can allow water to seep inside, leading to interior damage, mold growth, and costly repairs. Hurricane protection doors are built with tight weather seals and durable thresholds designed to prevent water infiltration. Professional installation ensures that the door is properly aligned and sealed to withstand intense weather conditions. Energy efficiency. In a warm climate. Kendall's hot and humid climate means air conditioning systems work hard for much of the year. Older doors with worn seals can allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter. Many hurricane protection doors are designed with insulated cores and energy-efficient glass options. These features help reduce heat transfer and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. The result is improved comfort and potentially lower energy bills, even outside of storm season. Potential insurance benefits. In many cases, upgrading to hurricane-rated doors may qualify you for insurance discounts. Because these doors reduce the risk of storm damage, insurance providers may offer reduced premiums. While savings vary, this added financial benefit makes hurricane protection doors an even smarter long-term investment. Boosting property value. Buyers in Kendall understand the importance of hurricane readiness. Homes equipped with hurricane protection doors are often more attractive on the market because they offer built-in safety and code compliance. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, investing in storm protection adds tangible value to your home. Peace of mind when it matters most. Perhaps the greatest benefit of hurricane protection doors is peace of mind. When a storm approaches, knowing your home is better prepared allows you to focus on your family's safety rather than worrying about structural vulnerabilities. For Kendall homeowners, hurricane protection doors are not just about meeting requirements, they're about protecting what matters most. In a region where storms are a reality, upgrading your doors is one of the most essential steps you can take to safeguard your home.